go court Wednesday and he moved to Friday. When he got to Friday, the judge he tell him, say, yo, me not give bail on Friday. And then, me not see by the man for 5 years. You see me? So, I remember, 30 years me a face, you see me? So...
Don't say that.
No,
don't say that.
Hypothetically.
No, man. Don't no jokes to that. Don't no jokes to that.
Achoo.
Rebuke that in the name of
Rebuke
Jesus.
it.
Don't say that.
Like that, oh, I do their arms something and just walk, you can't walk past camera.
Let's do that.
All right, cool.
My cartel say, pre-me case. And man say, get that off and get that here. Prefer to go up for 30, 35 years. 35 years them game. Rich son of poor. Why do you wait up if them tell them rich?
Yeah, I don't lie. They say, no, poor me, rich me.
No, wait till me dress, sir. Jay, wait till me dress, sir. Jay, let me teach you something, right? Like, largest me I tell her. Me will come link you in a Benz. I'm a dress up. Cartier, watch. I don't really them fake, I'm a dress up. I'm say, Jay, and I want to get them 100,000. Yeah, man. Gone upstairs, go for the 100,000, come let me down. If you come in and say right now, power bicycle.
Papa, man, I use them.
Walk your boy, I'm going to learn. You didn't want to invite me in the house.
Yeah, I know, sorry, everything like that.
So, you to Pete, brother. When the day when I buy a Jelly Benz and a drive, right? And you live certain way, like literally before you buy a Benz, and you start live certain way. You certain people are the price raising.
Yeah.
Come set with me, you know. I'm going to say, no, that we can't get work on that 50 grand a month. Promote a song. I'm going to charge me $1,000 my boss. Or I'm going to have Zelle.
You have Zelle?
It's a different part there. One time go and buy, I could have give my thing. You see me I come from, so.
But no, they know the lifestyle
and careful.
And you are careful.
You're not face that. Let's do it again, brother.
Let's do it one more time.
All the doors, sir. All the doors, sir.
Rebuke it, man. Buying it.
Yeah, you know the same.
Buying it.
Yeah, man.
Get out of here,
That's
man.
how we see some man. That's how we see some man. There's some girl where they will never look for one contact time 7 years ago. But how you carry yourself, how you look. You see it? What? I'll put my hand them. I'm going to do it in a week.
Yeah, I'm going to do
it. Why do you keep my hand them so I can keep them so I can keep myself so? We're some good knock after, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? So when I say walk, you know, no matter what, him clean.
Yeah.
So I have really close, I have knock off close.
I see them try for you one time.